Ayan! So I'm back again with the multiplication and division of fraction. We are done with subtraction and addition. So punta na tayo sa multiplication and division of fraction. So let's start first with multiplication. Paano ba mag-multiply ng fraction? Sa multiplication, meron tayong tatlong notation. So this notation is presented in this way. We have 1/2 times 1/4. That's through parentheses. Meron din tayong 1/2 times 1/4. That's the multiplication symbol and the dot symbol. 1/2 times 1/4. So, but this just simply means multiplication lang yan silang tatlo. Parentheses, the multiplication symbol, and the dot. Pero kahit saan man sa tatlo dyan, multiplication pa rin yan. So, let's start now with multiplication on fractions. So, let's take a look on the following example. To multiply fraction, you just simply multiply the numerator, multiply the denominator. So, i-multiply yung nasa taas, i-multiply din yung nasa baba. So, you have now 3 times 3 will give you 9, and 4 times 5, 20. So, this is now your final answer. Ganun lang siya kadali when you're going to multiply fraction. You multiply the numerators, you multiply the denominators. So, you have now 4 times 3, this is equal to 12, and 5 times 5 is equal to 25. However, kapag masyado nang malalaki yung mga given numbers doon sa fraction, we can do the cancellation process. Ano yung cancellation process? We will find factors ng mga given numbers and we will just simply cancel that one out. Kasi for example, in number 3, 15 over 24 times 30 over 18. If you're going to multiply 15, you can multiply 15 and 30 pero masyadong mahirap kasi malaking number. And alam natin na ayaw natin sa mga malalaking numbers. And 24 times 8 malaki din yan. So, ang gagawin natin is we will find a common factor. You know that 15 and 18 is 3 times 5. And 18 is 3 times 6. Right? So, we can cancel out 3 here with 3 na nasa taas. Kaya meron na tayong natirang 5 and 6 na lang. Similarly, 30 can be written as 5 times 6 and 24 is 6 times 4. So again, we can cancel 6 here and 6 here. So meron na lang tayong natirang sa taas 5 times 5 and 4 times 6. And 5 times 5, that will give you 25, and 4 times 6 is equal to 24. So this is now your final answer. 25 over 24. Similarly, again, 12 over 14 times 8 over 9. You know that 12 can be written as 3 times 4. And 9 is 3 times 3. So we can cancel out 3 here. Then 8 is 4 times 2. And 14 is 7 times 2. So again, we can cancel out 2 here. So meron na tayong natirang 4 times 4 na nasa taas. That's equal to 16. And 7 times 3, that's equal to 21. And this is now your final answer. So that is how to multiply fractions. Kung meron kayo nakitang common factor, you first express number with the common factor para makancel out, para meron na lang tayong mga maliliit mga numbers na kailangan nating i-multiply. No need to multiply bigger number. Pero kung wala kayong nakikitang factor, wala kayong magagawa kundi i-multiply talaga siya. So we will proceed now with the division of fraction. Division has also notations. When you have 1/2 divided by 1/2. That's through division symbol. We can also have 1/2 all over 1/2. This is also a division symbol. And, ayan. So, dalawa yung ating notation sa pag-divide ng fraction. You can have a division symbol or this one. This is also division. Kapag meron kayong ganito, division pa rin yan. Kapag meron kayo dito, division pa rin yan siya. So, let's start now in dividing fraction. With the division of fraction, the first thing to do is change your operation into multiplication. So, we will change this division here into multiplication and take the reciprocal of the second fraction. What do you mean by reciprocal? Reciprocal is just simply balaktarin mo lang yung given fraction. Kung meron kang 3/5, ang reciprocal niya ay 5/3. So, we will just baliktad. 3/5 is just 5/3. 5/4 is 4/5. And 6/9 is 9/6. So, you're going to take the reciprocal of the second fraction. So, if you have 3/4 divided by 3/5, we just copy the first fraction, change your division into multiplication, and take the reciprocal of your second fraction. This is 3/5, and the reciprocal will be 5/3. So, sa multiplication kanina, we can do cancellation because we have here a common factor, 3 and 3. So, meron tayong 1 dito natira, 1 din tayo natira dyan. So, we are remained with 5 times 1, you have 5. And 4 times 1, meron tayo 4. So, that's now the given answer. Next, we have 4/5 divided by 3/5. Again, we will change your division to multiplication and take the reciprocal. So, you have now 4/5. Change this one into multiplication and take the reciprocal. That's 5/3. We have again the common factor here. We have 5. So we can do cancellation. This is 1 and 1. 4 times 1, 4. And 3 times 1, 3. So meron tayong 4/3. With number 3, again, we have 12/15. Change this one into multiplication and take the reciprocal. That's 5/4. So meron ba tayong makikita pwede makancel dyan? You know that 12 is 3 times 4. And you know that 15 is 3 times 5. So we can cancel this one, 5 here with 5 there, 4 and 4 here. Then meron din tayong makancel dito na 3 at saka 3 dyan. Kaya, so nakancel lahat, it does not mean na 0 yung answer dyan. Kapag nakancel yan lahat, ang natira dito ay 1, 1, 1, 1. So, 1 times 1 will give you 1. 1 times 1 will give you 1. So, this is just simply equal to 1. Hindi ibig sabihin na cancel yan lahat. 0 na yung answer mo dyan. Meron tayong 1 dyan. Next, you have 30/45. Again, you have 30/45. Change your division into multiplication and take the reciprocal. You have 9/6. And you know that 30 is 6 times 5 and 45 is 9 times 5. Again, we can cancel 9 here with a 9 here, 5 and 5 here. We have also 6 and 6 here. So, nakancel yan siya ulit. Then, we are having 1 as its final answer. So, that is how to multiply and divide fractions. So, thank you and see you again next time.
Moshi moshi.